Leaving a toxic relationship doesn't always feel like freedom at first. You thought you'd feel stronger, but instead, you feel empty, confused, and broken. That's okay. You're not weak. You're healing. And healing takes time. It's a process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful ways to help yourself heal after leaving a toxic relationship, because you deserve peace, and you're not alone in this. Sadness, anger, guilt, even love. All of these feelings are normal. Don't rush to feel better. Let your emotions move through you. Suppressing them only extends your pain. There's a reason you walked away. When you start doubting your decision, remember the pain, the chaos, the way you felt small. You didn't leave because you stopped loving them. You left because you started loving yourself. Cutting off communication may feel harsh, but it's essential. Every message, every like, every memory reopens the wound. Distance is the medicine. Give yourself space to breathe. Toxic relationships make you forget who you were before the chaos. Revisit old hobbies. Call old friends. Try something that brings you joy. This is your time to reconnect with the real you. Your environment affects your energy. Clear out anything that reminds you of the relationship. Replace it with things that bring peace. Your home should feel like a sanctuary, not a trigger. You've been through emotional war. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like you would a best friend. Gently, lovingly, patiently. Repeat after me. I'm healing. I'm enough. I'm doing my best. Toxic memories are tricky. You'll find yourself replaying the good moments and forgetting the bad. That's not love. It's trauma. You don't miss them. You miss the idea of who they pretended to be. Healing isn't about making huge changes overnight. It's about showing up for yourself in small ways every day. Drink water. Move your body. Get outside. These tiny acts build a strong foundation. What's one small thing you did today just for you? You don't have to heal alone. Find safe people. Whether it's friends, a family member, or someone at work, let yourself be supported by others. You're allowed to lean on others while you rebuild yourself. The future you're walking toward is more beautiful than the past you left behind. You may not see it yet, but it's coming. Every step you take now is a declaration that you're choosing you. If you're ready for what's next, comment, "I choose my peace." Healing doesn't happen all at once, but it does happen, especially when you choose to show up for yourself day after day. Be proud of yourself. You left. You're healing. You're becoming whole again. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more content, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. You are not alone, and your peace is worth fighting for. You'll find some useful links in the description below. So, until next time, stay strong.